Hi guys, today I'm trying to teach you how to remove the fog light from the Volvo XC90 over here. Previously there's water that gets into my fog light. I've removed it and uh, get the water out, seal the housing with silicone, and now it should be working fine. Okay, now I will remove this cap over here. You have to remove this top housing, top panel over here, and then to reach in for two Torx screw to remove this fog light. Let's do it. So you work your way from the top over here and then down. Please note that there's this sensor over here that you need to remove over here. Just pry off, remove, put it one side. There's the top panel. Alright, trying to show you. So there should be two Torx screw. One, let's see, one over here, and the other one should be somewhere here. You can see. You can just use your finger and feel that. Over here you can see that I've applied some silicone. Hopefully it will stop the water from getting in. I think it is a T20 or T25. Yeah, I think it's a T25. Yeah. You probably need one of these two so that you can reach in over here. You can reach in to unscrew it. Let me try to adjust the camera so that I can see in. I think this tool is very useful. You should get one. I'll put a link to the tool for this later in the description box. Okay, so after you remove, your fog light can be removed easily, and there's this connector over here that you need to remove. This one, you just press on the tab here and then pull it up. Alright, so that's how you remove your fog light. So as I said previously, water went into my fog light, so I've removed this cap or the sticker over here. It will unveil the hole, and then I will blow either hot air or I had used a compressed gun to blow it, so the water is almost gone, so it looks good now. Then I've sealed it with silicone all around with the help of a friend. Then hopefully now the water doesn't get in to my fog light. Alright, so assembling it will be the same in a reverse manner. Right, that's all. Thank you.